It's a pleasure to be here. I'll get to the serious stuff later on. Let's do the fun stuff before. The fun stuff is phones need to be off, for this is a quiz. Phones extends to iPads or any other technological device that all us corporates are born and raised in the environment of. And now the serious stuff. Ladies and gentlemen, we have gathered here today to witness history in the making. A test of knowledge, nerve, and strategy. Who will go through the odds? You, or you, to be crowned the national champion of the first Unicorn Corporate Quiz Challenge 2017. Are we ready to put our brains to the test? Are we ready to rock our mind palace? Without further ado, I call upon stage your quiz master for the day, Mr. Ajay Punya.
Hello and a very warm welcome to Unicorn, the Corporate Quiz Challenge. A lot of people have said a lot of great things about this quiz, and I came with a speech as well, and I thought that I'll share a few things as well about this quiz. But most of you, I mean if not all of you, but have been in touch with me during the course of the planning and what could be done, what could not be done and stuff like that. So all of you are anyway well aware, and the dignitaries have already expressed what is it that went behind the scenes to organize this event. It's lovely, and it's with deep gratitude and immense heartfelt thanks to you, your HR departments, to everyone who, or even the flights and the aircraft companies who allowed you and were on time to bring you here to start with the preliminary round of the inaugural edition. Hopefully, a quiz with multiple editions and multiple city chapters, but that's something that we'll get to know in the years to come. But for the moment, I was informed that there are about 55 odd teams that are participating. Okay, so we decided that when we got to know that there are more than 30, 40 teams that are going to participate. So we decided that fine. So we'll give opportunity to as many teams as possible to be on stage, right? So instead of a direct prelim, a prelim followed by a direct final, we have a short little semi-final as well. All right, let's take a look at the 25 questions. Maximum points that are available is 35. Okay, how that math works is 1 point for a correct answer, and you can double on a maximum of 10 questions. I'll show you how you can double. I'll give you a visual depiction of that. मैं बहुत बोर हो गया 21 to 25 tiebreaker, 1 point for every correct answer, maximum points taken. I've done a lot of this. A lot of you here have been witness to such of my quizzes. I'm tired of that. I'd like to introduce a few variations in the prelims as well. So this is the kind of variation that I've introduced. I hope it works out all right. We tried to do that in our office. We tried to do that in a small little quiz that we did, and it worked there. And I hope it works in a much more crucial environment like this. So let's see how it goes. Okay, clear? Please use the pens that we have provided. Don't use any other pen, yeah? We've given you 2 pens, I'm sure one of them works, okay? Don't use any other pen, because any other pen we'll use. Clear? Let's start. Question number 1 on your screen. It's a video, watch the video. Question follows. My question, what does he finally write on the postcard? Next question, number 2. So named after the place they met, what process started when South African diamond producing states met in May 2000 to discuss ways to stop the trade in conflict diamonds and ensure that diamond purchases were not financing violence by rebel movements and their allies seeking to undermine legitimate governments. Straight lift from the website. Now let me block the view of participants this side. Okay, question 3. On May 24, 2004, 160th anniversary of the first Morse transmission, the Radio Communication Bureau of International Telecommunication Union added a symbol to the Morse character set. They used the sequence denoted by this digraph. It was notable since it was the first addition to the Morse set of characters since World War I. What is this the symbol of? Fine. Okay, next one, number 4. Kolkata-based Ultimate Digital Solutions was founded by this gentleman. He's Mr. Preetimoy, a former professor at IIT Kharagpur, who's his more well-known wife. I did a lot of research for this question. I actually sent an email to this company and asked them, is the founder the husband of, this person? Then I got a response, yes. And then I was like, okay, with your permission, I'm using it in a question and a quiz. Why don't you also participate? Here's the participation form link. But I don't think they're here. So this question stays validated. Right, so this is question 4. Moving to number 5. A British consulting company, so this is a 2-part question. Okay, half point each or 1 point each if you double this, right? But if you're doubling, you have to get both correct. A British consulting company called Sustainability coined the phrase triple bottom line in 1994. The 3 bottom lines that the companies were asked to pay attention to are planet, blank, and blank. It is believed TBL is a definite improvement over the CSR model, and I'm sure all of you know what that is. Fill in the 2 blanks. If SaaS is software as a service, IaaS is infrastructure as a service, MBAAS is mobile backend as a service, then also used in penetration testing. What is HAAS? Basically, what does H stand for? Also used in penetration testing. And there are, I believe, a few companies here also that do penetration testing. Number 7. In 2012, this company acquired AMC Theatres to become the world's largest cinema operator. In 2016, AMC, and not the company that acquired AMC, and that was to take advantage of the falling pound against dollar. So AMC is American, so instead of purchasing it through the parent company, they decided to purchase it through AMC because, pound was falling as against dollar. So in 2016, AMC acquired Odeon Cinemas, UCI Cinemas, and Carmike Cinemas to become the largest movie chain theater in the world and consolidating the new parent company's position even more. Which company am I talking about? Which is now since 2012, it's the world's largest cinema operator. You answer the country, I will give you nothing for that. I will draw a smiley, and that's it. Is number 8, it's a video. Watch the video.
Don't forget the rules.
Sick wife is going to get us.
You weren't supposed to make any noise.
Are you crazy? I don't think we should do this. You should cut that shit out. You hear it? There's something walking in the background. Like an animal or something, don't worry.
That did not sound like an animal.
Andrea, you see that?
Oh my god!
We're going home right now.
Andrea, it's pitch black out right now.
I don't ever want to go home.
Sean!
Good night. Sleep tight. Don't let the sick bugs bite.
My question. This is a film called Sick House, a thriller film released between April 29 to May 3, 2016. On which app, making it the first ever film made on this app? Okay, next one. Founded by IIT Delhi alumni Samar Singla and Chinmay Agarwal, by what name does this Chandigarh-based startup operate under the parent company Socomo Technologies? Number 10. Cooper, haven't given his surname. The chief creative officer recently said, "I'll be the first to admit that the way in which we were portraying it was dated, but removing it entirely was a mistake. It was never the problem because it isn't a problem. Today, we're taking our identity back and reclaiming who we are." With this, he announced going back to what the brand does best. So now that's my understanding. Going back to what the brand does best, name the brand. Unveiled in August in Seattle, Amazon One is the first of 40 blank that are Amazon branded. It will serve customers by adding capacity to support 1 and 2 day package delivery in the US. What is Amazon One? It's the first of 40 what? Next one is number 12. Sorry. Yeah. For making what purchase in India was this French company in the news recently? Please know that all of you, all the participants and the audience that's here, we've organized a raffle also, and we'll declare the winners of the raffle at the end of this quiz. And for the prizes of the raffle, we have our sponsors, gift partners, Quench, and experience partner XOXO Day. So they've offered 10K worth prizes for the raffle, right? So please do stick around till the end, even if you don't qualify. Yeah. If you're not really interested in some of my self-proclaimed interesting questions, maybe raffle will keep you glued to your seats. Next one is number 13. So we threw halfway. These are some of the 15 startups listed under 15 startups that are changing the way people of this country live by the country's leading English daily. Which country? Okay, time for number 15 now. What term can be traced back to as early as Middle Ages, when it was simply someone who carried out tasks such as building and construction projects by applying all the resources at disposal? The 20th century saw the evolution of it, the concept developing its most recent form when Harvard theorist Arthur H. Cole defined it as an organization builder. What term? 16 now. Using the tagline, "Includes you, includes me," Inklov claims to be the world's first matchmaking app focused on what group of people? It says find love on Inklov. Number 17. Listen to the audio.
Bring you more ways to help reduce calories from sugar. With more great tasting beverages with less sugar or no sugar at all. Smaller portion sizes, clear calorie labels, and signs reminding everyone to think balance before choosing their beverages. We know you care about reducing the sugar in your family's diet, and we're working to support your efforts. More beverage choices, smaller portions, less sugar. BalanceUS.org.
It's an attempt launched in 2015 to support your efforts to balance what you eat, drink, and do by bringing you more ways to reduce your sugar from beverages. It's a joint effort of Dr. Pepper and 2 others. Name them both. Half point each. Next question. The proposed cost of this controversial project is 10 billion, but BBC cites certain sources that say it will cost between $12 to $15 billion, possibly $12 billion to $15 billion, possibly due to the terrain. Washington Post said it will be closer to 25 billion. Who will fund it, however, is something that's still not clear. What very beautiful and powerful project? What very beautiful and powerful project? Please know that you have to write in a handwriting that I can decipher, and I don't need to hire code breakers. Yeah. I'm a through and through North Indian Gangetic plain born and brought up boy. The only two scripts that I understand are Devanagari and Roman. Everything else is Mala Marathi Aitnai, Ami Bangla Janina, Kannada Gotila, right? So either Devanagari or Roman. Right, number 19. When my father was dying in 1990, he made me promise I would continue the mission. So this daily is now continuing with the same passion and commitment and will continue till my death. Which newspaper? You want to see a larger visual? I'll give you a larger visual. And that's the wife, if in case you found the gentleman to be attractive enough. He's married. This project's completion coincided with the global financial crisis of the noughties. With vast overbuilding in the country being mired in debt from its huge ambitions, the government was forced to seek bailouts from its neighbor. Subsequently, in a surprise move at its opening ceremony, it was renamed blank blank to honor President Zayed Al Nahyan for his crucial support. 2 words. Next one, number 21. Due to the Emergency Financial Measure Ordinance of February 1946, which was like a bit like our demonetization exercise, but a little different in the sense that, you know, they were just switching from old to new, right? While we got rid of only 2 and introduced something else. So earning new notes became a primary concern of the company because this measure said that you had to switch from the old currency to the new. And this is obviously 46, so pre-digital hoga India, aage badhega India, right? So earning new notes became a primary concern of the company, and so they designed an electrically heated cushion that lacked no thermostat or fire retardant. But since they did not want to tarnish their name, they created a fictitious company, Ginza. Which company? In my joke there, I said digital hoga India, etc. This in any way or in no way suggests that it's an Indian company or not, okay? This is just my take on the famous comment now. This is first of the tiebreakers. Second one. This is one of my personal favorites from the quiz. Chapter 9 of the Economic Survey that was recently launched by Arvind Subramanian, 2016-2017. It's titled X. So the chapter 9 is titled as X, a conversation with and within the Mahatma, and is concluded with X is a powerful idea whose time, even if not ripe for implementation, is ripe for serious discussion. And it went on to, as a fiscal conservative, the Mahatma would permit X only if convinced that the macroeconomic stability would not be jeopardized. Solve for X. So that's chapter 9. This term was coined by Amitai Etzioni in a 1986 article for Washington Post, and the title was Blank Are Bad for Kids. Since then, many studies have said the opposite. Summer X or blank are good for kids, and it benefits teens later in life. Merriam-Webster added it to their dictionary in 2003, and this invited a response from the company's CEO, and who said that it means teaching responsibility. Though Merriam-Webster stood by the accuracy of the definition, what term? Right? 24, penultimate question. Listen to the audio. I'll give you a larger visual. Combining the opening titles created for Hitchcock's North by Northwest, which is on the left, and the poster for Vertigo, which is on the right, both created by the legendary graphic designer Saul Bass. It's the theme for what? Look at the larger visual. The name of what profession originated from the Tamil word for a payment for work An alternative explanation is that the word comes from Urdu and Turkish word for slave. Amitabh Bachchan was employed in this profession in a film. Name the profession. I'm sure all of you know Amitabh Bachchan. He was Kirorimal College's second most famous alumnus. The most famous, of course, is standing in front of you. Right, question 1. We'll go back to question 1. And we'll quickly go through all. Time for you to wrap up and decide on your doublings. Once when we've collected your answer sheets, and that will happen in 3, 2, 1. May I request the team from PhD and Deshan, if you could also start collecting the answer sheets. Is there any team still in possession of their answer sheet? Yeah, please collect the answer sheets. I'll count till 3. If there is any team still in possession of their answer sheet, we won't collect your answer sheet and you'll be disqualified. 3,